Well, today is the day where I'm not going to show you any marble machine, but I will show you a engine that has two cylinders, and it actually is surprisingly beautiful to look. So anybody who has a bamboo printer, they can buy one of these kits. Let's see if I can put this up here so you can see it. And the kit is called Engine Model Component Kit dash 005. Okay, and inside are screws and a little motor and magnets, because some of these things are magnetic, and it also has the place where you can download the STL files. Okay, it does take about 2 days of printing, depending on how fast your printer is. Mine is very fast, and it took me in a couple days. I did that. I did other work while it was printing, and then immediately fed it back. And I've been here, in the office for many, many hours, sometimes from 3:30 a.m. till till I go sleep at midnight. Okay, so let me kind of give you a little demo of this engine and this motorcycle. I think it's a motorcycle engine. So as I mentioned, that you can take off the covers, and you can see that if I crank it over here, that they actually lift these lifters. Okay, and so that's pretty good. Here on the front is actually the air intake for the carburetor, and that actually slides, open and close. Then if I take this cover off, you get to see all the gears, and here's that little motor, just a very inexpensive motor, and it runs on a USB cord. And I'd like to probably design a better base and then put a battery pack with a switch on it, and then put it in there so it's not hanging out like this. All right, there's more than that. So this is how it looks from this side, and this is how it looks from this side, and you can crank it, and as you can see, these valves are working, and you can also say, okay, I want to see the cylinder. Let's see. It fits together so well that I have a hard time finding. It's this center section. Oh, it goes this way. There we go. So this piece comes off, like this one right here. And now you can see a cylinder in here. And then in here you can see the crankshaft. So all these parts, by the way, will come off, including the one here on this side. They just are, that you just slide them in. Now here's the other part. And again, if you look at the cylinder, it is working. So it's a very cool little engine, a very cool little model. If I want to snap these things back, they don't have magnets. They have a little latches here on this side. And what you do is you just slide it right there, and you heard the snap. And same as this one, of course. And then these are held by magnet. As you can see, there's magnet here and here. And then here's a key, which is right here. And then, of course, this has magnets also. And that fits on the side. So you have a pretty good idea of how it works. Now, how does the motor works. So what you do is you push this button in and then plug it into some kind of a 5-volt and I'm going to show you that it's actually spinning. And it's nice and slow, which is fine. It doesn't really matter if it goes clockwise or counterclockwise. I don't even know how this engine actually goes, but it goes round and round, and that's good enough for me. Okay, so I'm going to unplug it, and then I'm going to push this out so you can crank it by hand. Alrighty, so that's about it. This beautiful little motor, I mean, it is just gorgeous. It weighs a little bit, so it sits nicely on the table. I put little silicone feet on the edges and underneath, of course, and that makes it so it doesn't move around. Otherwise, plastic on wood or whatever, can even scratch things if you have nice furniture. So I hope you like it. Give me definitely thumbs up, and also write something if you have questions or anything. And then I'm going to put description below where you can look at the video and see if that's something you might do, because the assembly I did not record because it's already on the internet. Okay? So have a great day.